So guys, I joined Rain, the clan Rain. So I joined Rain because like in Discord, like I put clan list in my name, and then there's like so many people saying that I'm a clan, and like so many people want me in the Rain clan. I don't know why. Like there's some people in Rain that wants me to be in the clan. I don't know why. That was so weird. Like they were kind of basically like begging, but like I'm not trying to like make them think. So I joined Rain, and it was actually good. Pretty good clan. And I'm watching this video right now, and like I'm such a bot. I'm actually bot level 900. So make sure you subscribe. Bye.